Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a very long time. So good to be back. I miss doing this for you guys. I miss all the yummy food. If you watched my previous video, you know that I got my wisdom teeth out. I got all 4 wisdom teeth out. It was terrible. Oh my goodness. So, as of right now, it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks exactly since I got my wisdom teeth out. And the first week and 3 days were horrible. I was in so much pain. Let me tell you guys about the food first, and then we'll get into the wisdom tooth thing. Fries. Mango habanero, my favorite. Original hot, my second favorite. Of course, I got their blue cheese. Their blue cheese is absolutely amazing. And I just got my own ranch because I love my own ranch that I have in my house. Not that I make this, I just bought it. And I have a large drink. Diet Coke. So yeah. A week and 3 days, terrible pain. I went back to the dentist, I want to say like 4 times. Each time I went, they were telling me it's a dry socket, it's a dry socket. And they kept packing this nasty ass clove oil, like strip things into the socket. It just tasted horrible. And every time you ate something, all you tasted was the clove oil. Or at least all I tasted was the clove oil. Didn't do anything for the pain. Every time I went back, they were like, we're gonna try the other socket. See if it helps. Didn't get any good sleep for like a week and 3 days. Forgot my fork. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I finally started Googling like my symptoms myself. And of course, dry socket does come up. But what also comes up is an infection. Now, mind you, I didn't have swelling, yeah. But I feel like after a certain amount of times of you trying to fill the socket with that nasty clove oil stuff, and then not working, you should have realized that, you know, that might not be the problem. These are kicking today. So, this last Saturday, I call up the dentist and I'm like, I'm still in pain. Like something can't be right here. So he has me come in. And he's like, we're gonna stuff some more clove oil. The strips. And at this point I'm like, hey, I think it's an infection. Can you please prescribe me some antibiotics? And he's like, it doesn't look like you're swollen. Usually there's swelling associated with an infection. And I'm like, I just really feel like it's an infection. I don't think it's a dry socket. So I started taking the antibiotic, and the next day the pain is like half the amount that it usually was. I was taking like painkillers every 3 hours. 2 ibuprofen and 1 Tylenol. I hate taking painkillers. I don't like taking anything medication wise, but I had to. Like, it was unbearable. And of course, I don't charge my phone like I should. Unbearable pain. So these fries are really good today. Every 3 hours, taking painkillers. So the next day, I was taking painkillers like every 6 hours. It was so much better. It was so much better. And then the next day after that, I didn't even have to take painkillers. Oh my gosh. But we're on to happier days. Everything's healing up. I'm pain-free. I'm eating Wingstop, doing a mukbang for you guys. So last time I tried the mild wings, cause I have acid reflux and like I was spicy. I know I love the mango habanero and I can't go without them, but I'm not supposed to be eating spicy things like that. I tried the mild. They were not good in my opinion. They really didn't taste like much, and so I went back to my original hot. And I'm just gonna I took my antacid, and if I do have to, I will take some Tums, but this is a treat. I don't eat like this very often. I wish there was a little bit more sauce, but very yummy. Wingstop's chicken is just so good. I'm sorry if you hear my air conditioning in the background. It's so hot today. I couldn't turn it off today. I usually turn it off during my videos, but I couldn't do it today. It's like close to 100 degrees outside right now. And I'm a Wisconsin girl. I'm not used to that. thumbnail. Okay, one of those will do. But yeah. I feel 100% normal now. I went to the gym today. I haven't gone to the gym since I got my wisdom teeth extracted. And the mango habanero always gets dipped in the blue cheese sauce. Always, always, always. Excuse me. Those mango habanero are kick in today. Also, been all by myself since last Saturday because my boyfriend went to be a counselor at one of these camps in Milwaukee. Which is very sweet. Very, very sweet. He's been loving it. So I've been all by my lonesome. I've been spending a lot of time with my mom, which I love. I'm sure she loves too. Hope so, at least. I'm only eating one more wing, you guys. I'm like so full. Bro, I was eating only mashed potatoes, soup, refried beans, jello, pudding, and yogurt for like the longest time. Ice cream. Ice cream wasn't too bad. But everything else was like, oh my god, I got so tired of it after a while. I wanted to be able to actually chew some food. I wanted to be able to chew some food so bad. It's so funny. You don't realize how much like chewing affects your experiences with food, but it really does. It really does, you guys. Okay, last wing will be the original hot. That was so good. I wish I could eat more. But as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, friends.